There is something truly magical about the rhythm of the hive. We call it liquid gold.
The process begins with a careful approach, respecting the bee's home. The beekeeper gently opens the hive. Smoke is used to calm the colony by masking the attack pheromone. Let's look at the heart of the colony, a healthy, active brood. Carefully, we extract the frames one by one. Notice the capped wax, the bees' final seal on their hard work. Every bit of comb is harvested. The empty frames are returned to the hive for the bees to refill.
Just look at that bounty.
Back in the lab, we prepare for the extraction. The comb is cut into pieces and placed in a fine cloth, then pressed.
Pure, unfiltered sweetness.
Next, the raw honey is carefully poured into jars.
Each jar is a testament to the season.
We seal them by hand to ensure freshness. Labels are applied, marking harvest details.
From our hive to your home, enjoy.